Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an Authenticator app on your Coinbase. So to be able to set up your first account, I have a link down below so you can just click on it and create your account from there. So let's get started. So first, you go ahead and go to your Coinbase. From here, you just have to click on your profile and tap on the settings. So go ahead and click on this one right here. So from here, you just have to click security. And then scroll down and then go to the security prompt. So on this one, you just have to toggle this on. So go ahead and click on this button right here. Make sure it looks like this. So after that, just select the Authenticator. And from here, you just have to put here the OTP, which is sent to your phone number or email. Then after that, just tap on continue, and here they will show you a QR code. So you just have to go ahead and scan this using the application. So go ahead and open your Google Authenticator. So scan this one, and then they will give you a code. So just have to type it in here. So after that, just go ahead and tap on enable at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully enabled Authenticator. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!